We have tackled silver non-metallic metal. So in this video, we're gonna give gold non-metallic metal a shot. Let's go. I don't really have the AK Interactive Gold set compared to the steel. However, I do have this. I do have this Vallejo set I got, which has the gold non-metallic metal. Let's check out what is inside. This is a mix of blue and gold paint for this character in the game Infinity. But we aren't gonna do that for now. Instead, we're going back to this Ironjaw Orc. The set also has an instruction on how to paint. Hey, it's also taught by Angel Giraldes. This is gonna be good. So, briefly reading this, we just need 3 kinds of color. English uniform, Japanese uniform, and ice yellow. Also have the black just in case of anything, because you're gonna be mixing. Starting with English uniform, I'm also going to link Citadel Alternative, which means this actually looks like XV88 from Citadel. This is just in case if anyone don't have this kind of paints. Anyway, so you just add in thin layers time after time and try not to overdo it. After this, highlight some Japanese uniform. Again, go with thin coats and layer the paint. For the final highlight, add ice yellow for the light source. Now just a little note that I actually did erase and redo because sometimes the paint doesn't go how I want it. But just keep doing what you can and also glaze as much as you can, and in the end it's gonna look great. So here's the results. In my opinion, gold non-metallic metal is kinda easy to work on, but it can also be pretty hard, as in you need to glaze and get it smoothly perfected. But in the end, the results are pretty awesome. But what are your thoughts? Drop a comment, like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. Have fun miniature painting, everyone!